Master Avinash Jadhav from Chhatrapati Sambhajiraje Global School and Junior College. Today I am taking an interview of the great lawyer Advocate Madhav Jadhav sir.
Yes, hello everybody.
Sir, I would like to ask, when did you begin this work?
I have started this profession as a lawyer in 2002. Prior to that, I have served as a teacher for 2 years, and after completion of my LLB from the MP Law College Aurangabad, I decided to leave the job of a teacher and to start this profession as a lawyer in Ambazogai District and Session Court. And in this way, I started this profession since June 2002.
Thank you, sir. My second question is, what was it that inspired you to be a lawyer?
Actually, as I have already told you that prior to that I have served as a teacher.
Yes.
And after completion of my LLB, I decided to leave the job of a teacher. At that time, all the family members and relatives opposed me not to leave the job of a teacher, because they told me that there is no surety of profession of lawyer. But my mind itself inspired me that at least one of the lawyers would be the topmost position in Ambazogai, and I looked towards him. And at that time, Anna Saheb Lomte, a well-known practitioner, well-known lawyer, and a great social worker, I heard about his name,
Yes.
about him, and by looking towards him, I decided to start this profession. And when I started this profession as a lawyer, and I started my juniorship as a practice as a lawyer under the guidance of my guru, Advocate Sri D.V. Gade sir. It means my inspiration for choosing this job is Anna Sahib Lomte.
Thank you, sir. My third question is, what is your goal as a lawyer?
Lawyer, it is a very best field, and it's a very challenging job.
Yes.
Those who want to accept the challenges in life, they have to accept this profession, and they will have to do the lawyer, because from this profession we can give the justice to the people, needy people,
Yes.
as well as we can serve for the society. And my goal is to do something for the society, to serve the society, and to pay back the society, because it's a human duty to pay back the society. And from this profession, those who are very much in a need of the justice, we have to do our level best to give the justice to them. And it's my goal, it's my ambition to serve for the society.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to ask, for you, which is the most challenging case ever?
There are so many challenging cases, but one case
Yes.
that is very much remind to me is that one murder case of village Tarni.
Yes.
It was made allegations on the son to commit the murder of his own mother. But that case was so much critical, and that is a very much difficult case. But I tried my level best. That is one of the case
Yes.
challenging. Another one case is that one case is under section 376, that is commission of a rape. That offense has been occurred at Parali. And when I accepted that case, I remember till this moment that proceeding was conducted before Honorable Phalke Madam, who was the then district and session judge at Ambazogai.
Yes.
and that case was contested too much, and I accepted that challenge because Honorable Phalke ma'am also was very strict, and she has given me a lot of trouble for conducting that case, in the trouble in the sense of justice or the legal procedure. But I prepared my mind and I wanted to give the justice to my client, and fortunately I won that case. That is the most remember case in my life till this moment.
Yes. My fifth question, how long have you been in this profession?
Since 2002 I have been in this profession.
Yes.
That means till this moment I have uh, 18 years of experience of as a lawyer, and I have been doing my job well, trying to my level best in all fields like criminal and civil, revenue,
Yes.
and cooperative fields.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
My sixth question, did you want to become a lawyer when you were a child?
Actually, when I was studying in the graduation in Ambizogai,
Yes.
I myself and my some of the friends, we have decided to do the LLB course,
Yes.
and later on we want to be a lawyer. But some of the incidents in my life and that situation did not allow me to be continue my LLB education or to take the admission in LLB course after graduation. That's why after graduation I have completed my MA English B.Ed, and thereafter I have completed my LLB bit. But I have not left my ambition to be a lawyer, which I have been seen at the time of graduation level. Though I have completed my MA English B.Ed, I have served as a teacher for 2 years, but in spite of that, I have not left my ambition to be a lawyer, and I have done it and I have achieved it.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to ask, do you think that your clients consider you as a good lawyer?
Till this journey, since last 18 years, I myself is most satisfied with my job, because I tried my level best to give the justice to the people without deceiving them.
Yes.
Honestly, I have been trying to do this job, do this profession,
Okay.
and trying to give the justice to the needy peoples, and I have achieved the faith and trust of lot of people in this profession, and from the proceedings and matter
Yes.
with me, I definitely I am sure that my clients are fully satisfied with me.
Thank you, sir. At last, I would like to ask, what is the worst part of this profession?
That is the most important question. If we tried our level best to
Yes.
give the justice to our profession, no any kind of worst part to this profession.
Okay.
But one thing is that always day to day in our life in this profession,
Yes.
we own some cases, we
Yes.
lost some cases. Defeat and victory is the part of this profession,
Yes.
and if we defeat or if we lost any case, we should not be unhappy.
Okay.
We have to take the positive thinking or positive or whatever it may be, the positive message from that losing case also.
Yes.
Because if we lost one case in one court, we can file appeal to the higher authority.
Yes.
And if clients are satisfied with your work, what is the result is not important. If we tried our level best, and client will also trust on us if we tried our level best to give justice to them with honestly. And that's why victory and defeat is the part of this profession. And one thing is that sometimes some clients are not paying as per our requirement, as per our own and will wish. At that time, taking money from the pocket of clients is the worst thing in this profession.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving us precious time. Thank you.
Thank you, beta. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day to all of you.